I played 99 Nights in the Forest in Animal Company. Kind of. Let me explain. Actually, I don't have to explain. You'll be able to see. I'm gonna get a flashlight. Because I'll definitely probably need that. And then let's get a weapon. You know, safety. So, oh, not my flashlight. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, I haven't explored that much in this update. Oh no, it's already nighttime. There's no fire in that. Oh, there's a fireplace though. Okay, wait. Oh wait, I can't. I was about to say, can I chop down a tree? Come on, where does this go into? Oh, perfect. Oh. Alright, guys. Here's the thing. There's no, like, monster. Like, I mean, I saw, like, an ogre over there. But I haven't seen a single monster. Oh, so much wood. Like, I haven't seen a single, like, actual, like, monster yet. You guys be the first ones to see with me. I also gotta be careful about this ogre. Come on, stupid tree. I need a bigger fire. Whoa! Yes! Shine! Shine! Yo, wait. We got a good fire. Wait, what does that mean? Wait, what does that mean? I don't know. It was like a watch beep. Should I be scared? Does that mean like there's danger or something? I don't know, I'm kind of scared now. Okay. Okay. No, wait. I'm in the fire. Okay, well, I'm in the fire. I'm at the fire. No, don't walk through the fire. Yeah, you can't reach me. It's not good. What the? No, I am hearing whispers. I don't know if you guys can hear that. But there's like whispers. Okay, wait. This is actually a lot more scary than 99 Nights in the Forest. Oh, why did I not wait to do this with Fish VR? Yo, wait, it actually gives you a lot of money though. Oh, why did I not wait to do this with Fish VR? Okay, part of the fire. Alright, good guys, we got a big, like a really big fire. I'm just gonna kind of play through this. Wait for morning? Or like, wait, is there no morning? Is it just night forever? Okay, wait, I think I got him stuck. Ow, mister! Oh, you have to be kidding me, I actually died. I'm gonna run back. I really hope my fire... Wait a minute, I just saw something. The bigger the fire is and the longer it runs, I think that makes you more money. I'm big brain. Okay, yeah, our fire is still here. This is... It's amazing. That's not amazing. That was not very amazing, mister! Okay, why am I... Oh, wow, there are so many. Guys. Also, if you actually made it this far, which I know, like, nobody did, because half my videos have, like, 2 views. But Yo, wait, it's daytime. Okay, you stupid little rocks. Wait, I gotta get juked. Ooh, a shield. Whereas the rocks were actually ganging up on me though, and that generally wasn't fair. See? See? Doing. Okay, wait, Mr. Ogre. Okay, Mr. Ogre's blind. Guys, I'm gonna find out with you guys how big this fire can get. And I think, yeah, once it's max, or like every once in a while, the bigger it is, the more money it gives you, but, or maybe not, but every once in a while you get coins from the fire. Let's just keep fueling it up to see how big of a fire we can get up. Try to cut down this stupid tree. Cut down. Come on. There we go. Trick shot. That wasn't honestly really a trick shot, but alright. Oh wait. We got like a supply drop. Or I don't know if that was just here and I didn't know. Oh yeah, buddy. You still. I'm sorry. I don't know what I thought would happen. No, we're just gonna. I don't know. I'll put this. Let's see. Oh, okay. No! Wait! Hey, at least I got like an evacuation area to get out. Oh no, it's not again. Okay, you know what? We got a really big fire though. Or maybe that doesn't mean it's night. Maybe that just means big boys coming out. Come on. Yo, 3 logs. Yo, wait, that's actually kind of cool how it looks. Okay, wait, I think each. Okay, wait. Oh, he's right there. Yo, guys, alright, I think we just maxed out our campfire. Do I got schizophrenia? Alright, guys, well, I'm pretty sure we maxed out our campfire. If I am wrong, tell me in the comments, but that's gonna be the end of today's video. No, we're just gonna see if he doesn't. No jump scare, he just stomped on me. He's so fat, his foot just crushes me. Oh yeah, that was the end. So, if you have Animal Company, go right now and you can play 99 Nights in the Forest with your friends. In VR, kinda. Just, you don't save anybody, you just kinda survive. Bye!